Hello, I'm Darren Robertson, and today I'm going to share with you guys my ultimate roast chicken. Delicious little recipe, this really easy, just using a handful of ingredients. We're going to make a marinade using some herb stalks, yogurt, garlic, chilli, ginger, maximise the flavour of the chicken using the Massel plant-based chicken stock powder. We're going to pop that in the oven. Whilst that's cooking, I'm going to make a delicious, really fresh corn salsa using raw corn, some shallot, bit of lime, olive oil. That's it. So let's get cracking with this. First things first, I've got a whole bird. Beautiful free-range chicken. If you're a bit scared about breaking it down, I'll show you how to do it. It's dead easy. Otherwise, just go and buy some drumsticks or thighs, whatever you like. So I'm going to take this bird, pop him on a board, like so. Next, I'm just going to separate this and I'm cut down the breastbone. So there's your two halves. Now really, I'd like to just cut this into 12 pieces. So I'm just going to take off the wings, now take off the little Maryland. This I'm just going to cut in half, so there's just like a little joint here. So just knife straight down, you'll feel it go in. That's that. And then the breast I'm just going to cut into 3 pieces. That's it. So same with the other side. All right, so there's our chook, minute preparation, very easy. Now we're going to marinate the chicken in sort of green, herbaceous yogurt with a Massel chicken stock powder. First of all, I'm going to sort of use these leaves for a little salad. So I'll pick the leaves into a bowl. So just run your knife through the stalks there. So straight in to our blender over here. Add a couple of green shallots. For a bit of heat, I'll add a whole red chilli, a couple of cloves of garlic, and next we're just going to use some ginger. And we're going to lift the flavour of the chicken using Massel plant-based chicken stock powder. And then to bring the whole lot together, I'm just going to add some fresh yoghurt. Pinch of salt, and then whiz her up. So this is what you're after. Beautiful, fresh, vibrant green marinade. Pour them over the top. Give it a little mix. So we're going to give this 20 minutes. The chook is at about 20 minutes now in the fridge. Next, we're going to tray them up, touch more salt on top, tiny bit of olive oil. Then I'll pop them in the oven, which has been preheated to 190 degrees. Whilst the chicken's cooking, we're going to make a really simple corn salsa. First of all, I'll just slice a long red chilli. Next, a couple of green shallots. And then the main ingredient really for the salsa is corn. Next, we're going to pop our goods into a little bowl, a pinch of our chilli, a bit of acid, so fresh lime, pinch of salt and some pepper. And then just a couple of plugs of olive oil. Give them a little stir, herbs, tear up a few, give them a little stir. Take the chicken out of the oven, large bowl. I'll take some of our salsa to sit our chook on and pop this beautiful chicken on top of the corn. These sort of like pan juices and stuff, scrape them in as well. Then take the rest of our corn, pop them over the top. Then finally just some of our fresh herbs, a bit of chilli, pinch more salt, a bit of olive oil. So that's it, that's our finished ultimate roast chicken and corn, which we've taken to the next level with the Massel plant-based chicken stock powder. I like to serve it with a little bit of fresh yolk on the side. If you enjoyed this recipe, hop on to taste.com.au for heaps of recipes like this. Good luck, enjoy the chook, see you next time.